Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday we discussed, in fact, day before yesterday also we discussed about the strong possibility of market filling the gap. So yesterday when gold was going up, to be honest, when the breakout came above 4370, nobody was expecting that market was about to fall, and there was a huge fall on gold. We discussed about the possibility of a breakout above 4370. Yes, there was a movement of more than 100 pips, but there was a sudden fall on gold, and ultimately things changed drastically. The gap filling came. Yes, market started falling and the gap was filled, and we got a precise, perfect buy from 4220. Remember, we discussed yesterday in the morning. And after that, market went up sharply. There was a sharp recovery on gold, and right now gold is trading above 4300 again. So all these things happen within a very short period of time. Okay. Now we can see that gold is trading inside the same range that we were discussing yesterday, day before yesterday. So things are a little bit dicey here, but still there are some trading opportunities on the chart of gold. Let's discuss one by one. But before I proceed, I would like to mention that many of you have been asking how to join the premium WhatsApp group. You can join the premium WhatsApp group, okay, simply by opening your trading account under our referral. You don't need to pay any monthly fees here. Okay, you just need to open your trading account, okay, under our referral. You can use Vantage markets. Okay, you'll find a link in the description. Okay, if you are from India looking for INR deposit, means UPI net banking, then you can go with Ultima markets. Okay, because in India things are a bit different. But if you are from any other country, feel free to proceed with Vantage markets. You'll find regular market updates analysis. Okay, we also provide a blueprint. It's not a typical signal service because nobody makes money from signal services. Okay, we just want traders to develop. We just want traders to mature so that they can take their own decisions. Okay, anyways, let's discuss about gold. So let me zoom in. Okay, now we can see that this is the 4300 level. Okay, 4300 level. So during the day, if market drops, where is the first support? The first support will be around 4283, 4280. The dotted line that you see here is the first support. It's a minor support. So if you see market taking support, we can look for a buy position. Then the second support is around 4262, 4258. This is the second support on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy position. This is also a minor support, means they are not very reliable. If you're wondering why, what is the reason, you need to keep in mind that overall the range of gold is right now 4380 on the upside, and then we have 4220 on the downside. This is the actual range. So the level of 428380, 4262, they are in the middle of the chart. And you must know, if you have been trading for a couple of months and years, that in a range bound market, the range is the reliable thing that we can follow. Trading on the middle of the chart is riskier, and the levels that we are discussing are on the middle of the chart. They are on the riskier side, but we are day traders. We want opportunities. That's why we are discussing. So follow proper risk management. Okay. And in case there is a surprise drop just like yesterday, then we have the actual support around 422025. Okay, this is the actual support. The levels like 428380, 426258 are minor levels where you can look for a buy position. As a day trader, we can expect 2 or 3 green candles. Okay, personally I will be exiting at 2 green candles also. So on the chart of gold, we have discussed 3 support levels, but 422025 is the only reliable support. Okay, they are minor support, but if market takes support due to low volume, we can buy here as well. So these are minor and this is a major level. Okay, so do not take high risk. And if market goes up from here, yes, as the market, see, whenever we see a market trading in a range, then obviously market will be going up, isn't it, to the higher side. So obviously we can expect market to go up from here, and there is a possibility of a breakout above 4333 as well. Yes, breakout is also inside the range, so this is also not a very big opportunity. Okay, so as a day trader, if you are looking for a breakout, you can go for a buy position of 4333 if you see that it is a good one. For example, if you see that market has crossed 4333 with a big green candle, then you can look for a buy at breakout as well. Okay, and if you do not want to take any risk, what you can do is, I can see here market forming a range. So what you can do is you can buy at pullback when 4332 3228 will become the new support. Means when this particular level will become the support, you can buy at pullback as well. Okay, and right now how the market is going to react around 437080, I am not sure. Okay, if you have the answer, you can write down in the comment section. I would love to learn, but right now I feel that it's better for us to avoid. Okay, better for us to avoid around 4370 4380. Let's see how does the market react. If market reverses, yes, you can look for a sell position, but right now at the time of recording the video, it's not very clear to us how the market is going to respond around 437080. Okay, and whatever we have discussed right now, for example 3228, these support levels, okay, all these are minor levels. They are inside the range, so they are not very reliable. They are minor levels, so follow proper risk management and try to avoid big lot sizes. Okay, so again repeating, my dear friends, okay, if market goes up from here, okay, as market is forming a range here, there is a possibility of a minor breakout. If market breaks with a big green candle, we can look for a buy. If you do not want to take a risk, you can buy at pullback when 433228 3228 will become the new support. If market drops, we have two minor support levels around 428380 and 4262 4258. Okay, these are minor support levels. If market takes support, we can buy as well. In case market drops with high volume just like yesterday, then we have the only support around 422025. Okay, because that is the actual support. These are not supports. Okay, these are minor price action levels that we have derived from the 15 minutes chart. Otherwise they do not even exist on the higher time frame. But the minor levels है ना, तो higher time frame में exist भी नहीं करते. Okay, so this is the only reliable level. Okay, let's wait and watch. If you look at the economic calendar, okay, we have some news coming up in the US session. Okay, may not be a very big event, but yeah, there can be a volatility for 15 to 20 minutes, so be careful. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Follow proper risk management. Okay, Telegram is not working in my country right now for the next 3 days, so I won't be able to update anything on a Telegram. Okay, due to some governmental reasons. Okay, they have banned Telegram for till 21st of June. Okay, so after 21st of June, I will be posting updates again, and if you're a part of the WhatsApp group and community, you'll get an update there. So feel free to open your account under Referral, okay, and receive updates. Bye bye, take care.